How to find Rockstar Social Club email and password. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your Rockstar Social Club email and password. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up a browser and then search for Rockstar Social Club. Then go to the Rockstar Social Club website. Then if you have an account, tap on sign in. If you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up. So I'm going to tap on sign in, and if you want to sign in through PlayStation or Xbox, you can tap here. So I'm going to just sign in normally, enter here email and password and tap on sign in. And after you signed in, you will see something like this. Now here you have to tap on the Rockstar icon in the top right corner or your profile picture here. Then here tap on settings and wait for it to load, and here you will see all of your profile information, your nickname, email address and password. If you want to change your email address, tap on edit in the besides email address. Then here to change your email address, you have to enter here password and tap on submit change request. If you want to change your password, tap on here edit. Then here you have to enter current password, then new password, and then retype new password and tap on save changes. And so this is how you can find your Rockstar Social Club email and password. Thanks for watching.